Hi guys, so today we are going to be announcing our giveaway winners here on YouTube. I already did that on Instagram, which was on the 20th of January 2024. So I don't know if you are part of the winners and you didn't discover that you won, but then keep watching this video so that you'll be able to find out at the end of the day. So what I did was I tried my best to be transparent about the giveaway. So I had to use a comment speaker, and actually I used commentspeaker.com to select the winner. So what I did was I copied the YouTube videos which I recommended. I requested you guys to comment under the two videos, and I uploaded those videos or the video links to this website, Comment Speaker. And this website now brought out all of the comments, which happens to be 137 comments all put together. So I had to spin, so it will spin and select a random comment. So I did this on screen record so that somebody cannot say that I choose somebody to give the accounts to. So to be fair enough, I gave 3 accounts to those who commented on YouTube comment section, and I gave 2 accounts to those who were on live. So I was planning to give out 5 accounts, but at the end of the day I ended up giving 6 accounts. So 4 persons came out finally from the comment section of YouTube, and 2 persons came out from the Instagram live. I think that was fair enough. So let us go inside the video and verify. Now, talking about my trading, the trading has been good, guys, but then you make money today, tomorrow you somehow lose it. So January, sometimes it's occurring to me as if I'm still mastering chart patterns, like I don't know market structure again. So that's the way January is always, maybe for so many persons, but I've been making money. Like the case of yesterday, I made $2,800 on my 100k funded account. And in the day I took a trade on EU, and EU messed me up. I was really risking high, but I risked all the profit I made for that day. So at the end of the day, I lose everything. But I'm currently on a trade now, and I've really recovered for the losses that I had in my account. So I'm going to walk in you. If you are following me on Telegram, then you must have been seeing all of my trades, because I update my loss and my wins on my Telegram to show you that it is not always all rosy, but we just have to keep on the consistency. So look on the comment section or description of this video. You are going to get my Telegram group link. Is free to join. So go there and follow me on Telegram. You'll be able to see all of the trades that I am taking, and who knows, we can start working together in our next coming trading session, maybe next week or week after, and so on. So guys, if you didn't win this giveaway, please don't take it too hard on yourself. It's not my fault. I will do my very best to reach out to a lot of persons as I can, but the only best way for me to be transparent is for me to use a tool like Comment Picker to pick those who will win. Because if I want to depend only on my sentiments alone, I will be so emotional, and I will want to pick everybody, which I cannot due to my current financial condition. So let us get in, and let me play the screen record that I did on Saturday so that you can watch and find out if you are part of it, and then watch some vlogging part of my life that I went out on Sunday, and how I had to enjoy this particular mall in Ajah here in Lagos. So let's get in, guys. Maybe countdown will be good. So yeah, we are counting down now. As you can see, guys, this is our first winner. As you can see, number 1 winner. And let us read this comment together. FKFX. Guy, you are the first winner of this 10k account. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. As you can see, the website picked the winner randomly. So I pray for God's blessings, sir, because with that you can be able to bless others. Your life alone is motivation to me. I pray that God remembers me. Let's read and continue.
Trading can be tough, but don't give up.
So you can see, okay, this is comments here 6 days ago. Bro, congratulations. And I even replied you. So you can see the comments here. I pray for God's blessings, sir, because with that you can be able to bless others. Your life alone is motivation to me. I pray God remembers me through you. Amen, bro. And God has finally remembered you. And our second winner, which we have here, is these are the three winners, the three persons that have won. Our second winners, which we have here, is can I pronounce this name? Can I pronounce this name? Bro, if you're on this live, come and claim the giveaway. This is the second winner. I don't know how to pronounce this name. Is it Sibas? Yeah, Siabasi Cyril King NS. Bro, you are the second winner. And let us read your comment. If it doesn't make sense, we are going to change you. Boss, lack of fun has made me a big liar. I want to prove everyone wrong cause they don't believe in forex. Wow, what an amazing comment, bro. You deserve the win. You deserve the win. God knows why he has selected you, you know. Let me look at your own comments too. Let us look at your comments here and read it fully here. As you can see, this is your comment 6 days ago too. You can see, boss, lack of funds has made me a big liar. I want to prove everyone wrong cause they don't believe in forex trading. Bro, I love that. I love that. I love that. So you are the second winner, bro. You're the second winner. You're the second winner. You can reach out to me on Instagram with proof. My team and I are going to verify if you are the real one behind this comment, because I know that people may want to create an account, a fake account, to reach out to me and claim your win, giveaway. Alright, so the next one is Emmanuel. Emmanuel says, I'm glad to watch your video. It motivates me to achieve my goals. I don't give up in whatever I do. I really appreciate and I will need. Alright, let me come down.
Are you the next pro trader? Some of the top traders.
And let's see it. Okay, this is Emmanuel. Emmanuel says, I'm glad to watch your video. It motivates me to achieve my goals and don't give up in whatever I do. I really appreciate and I will need a 10K account, funded account, because I have the mindset of trade but low capital. Once I'm profitable, I will be giving you some share to appreciate your work doings. I think I replied him. I say, amen, bro. Don't give back to me, but to others in need. Wow, I love the reply I gave you, bro. Don't give back to me, but to others in need. Look at your neighbors. Look at those who are around you that are also struggling and see that you can help them. So these are our three winners. Now, we are going to be coming here on Instagram to select now 2 persons from our live. Let me keep to my word. I said I'm going to be selecting 3 from our YouTube comments, and this guy is the winner. So you can see that we had full transparency here. If you're watching this on YouTube, we had full transparency. We had to spin and do a countdown raffle because I didn't understand how to use the platform very well. So I think that that is it. So back now to Instagram. So guys, at this point I will just give out the winners here. Those who are on live are already the winners, and we have Sharon and Milton Blakey. All right, you are going to be seeing them maybe on the comment section of any of my videos on Instagram. So make sure that you stay tuned to participate in our next coming giveaway. So we are going to be selecting the last winner now, which I still recorded it, and I'm going to be playing that very soon for you to see. So we are going to be selecting one more winner again, which we are going to be doing 6 account giveaway. 6 account giveaway. 3, 2, 1. What is the name, man? Success Eddie. Success Eddie, congratulations. You are the next winner. Mentor, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I really appreciate you. So, bro, you are the next winner. Your name is Success. You see, the person who was doing demo trader, you can now see that This guy name is Success, and Success have just followed him like that. This is a YouTube channel, as you can see. He has nothing here. Let me come back here and let us read his comment. Okay. Alright, so you can see, I really appreciate you, sir. And this is comment. I said, you're welcome. Success said, mentor, CamiForex, thanks for replying. So Success, your name has brought you blessings. So congratulations, bro. So guys, as you can see, I have already announced all of the winners. So congratulations to those who won. This is how you are going to be reaching out to me. So try to reach out to me on Instagram. I'm going to be replying all of your messages, and I'm going to be putting my WhatsApp number below in the comment section of this video. Or sorry, not comment section, on the description section of this video. So I will never put my WhatsApp number on the comment section, but rather on the description section for you to differentiate that it is truly mine. So if you are one of the winners, in fact, reach out to me. I'm going to tell you what to do, so that I shouldn't give it here, because I know that there are a lot of persons that will be wanting to claim other persons' account, which it was never their name. Like, they want to claim or create an account with a username. So my team is going to be following up to see that the username it's matching the username that won this account, and we have a plan in place to verify each person that reach out to claim those giveaways. So reach out to me on my WhatsApp using my number from the comment or from the description section. I don't know, I like comment like that. So guys, see you in my next video. I'm not going to put in the vlogging part because I don't want this video to be too long. So see you guys in my next video. Probably I'm going to be showing you about my lifestyle in terms of how I am enjoying Lagos and so on.